Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and here we're showing you our 85 F-150. We just did an X coat, which is a coating of 2K clear on it. So it's take this old, it was a faded old single stage, and now you have a shiny truck. Buffed it back and then coated it, but still has a little bit of rust. Interior's in pretty good shape. Could definitely use a detail, but original. I think there's some faded paint up on the roof. You can see that, obviously on top of the box side. But the worst part is the over the wheel wells and back here. Tailgate's pretty good shape. Bumper, definitely a farm truck, you know. Box isn't rusty or anything. They must have had some type of plate in it at one time. The same deal here. That's the worst rust on it. The cab isn't too bad. A little bit on this cab corner, and then the bottom of the front fender's typical of these bullnose vehicles. But got a nice shine to it. Good looking truck otherwise. So little hail on the hood too. So, but if you're looking for a budget bullnose, 4-wheel drive, 351 automatic, thing drives great. So any questions? 605-695-7391.